Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Bukumi. In this video, we're taking a quick look at how you can make money selling websites. Now, these are websites that you don't have to build yourself because you don't have to be tech savvy to be able to build these websites. They're already templated websites that you can build and you can sell to people. So if you're looking to start a side business from home, this might be something very interesting for you. So I'm going to show you two different websites that has the ability for you to resell them as your own at whatever price it is you want to sell it. So let's get right into it. The first website I'm going to show you would be Symvoly. So with Symvoly, you can build your website. You actually can use this to build a website for yourself if you want. But since we're looking at selling this website, so if you want to start an agency, like a website agency, you can do that. You can check out this first page, but this is start your website, engage with audience. This is if you just want to build a website for yourself. So we're looking at the white label. That's what we want to see. So this is for agencies, SaaS, hosting company, marketers. So you can build for customers or promote your own do-it-yourself platform. You can create a website agency from your home or from anywhere where you're able to sell these websites to people who need websites, or you can sell it as a service where your customers do it themselves. So you're able to sell the templates like your own Wix or your own Shopify, something like that, where your customers are the one who would build it themselves, but you are able to white label it to your business. So that is huge. So you want to just go through this page and see what it's about, but let's go over to the templates and see what they offer. You can decide to pick a niche and you can decide to start making websites for photographers or real estate agents or restaurants, whatever it is you choose. If I go to photography, let's see what they have. So you can see different templates here that you can use to build websites for your clients, or you have them do it themselves when you white label Symvoly for your business. Let's take a quick look at this and see how beautiful their websites are. So this is already done for you guys. All you need to do is just come fill in this space here, this blank space here, and fill it with your client's detail and their business description, and you're able to sell this at whatever price it is you want to sell it. So this is a very nice business. You can start from anywhere in the world selling websites, and you don't need to code. No coding required, no tech. You don't have to be tech savvy, nothing, because this is already templated for you. So you can sell this as a service where you create this for your clients, or you have them do it themselves and you just take the money every month. So that is how that works. Now let's go back and see how much this costs to get started. So you can come in here, look at the products. You can page builders, e-commerce, funnels, email automation, booking an appointment. All of this you can do with Symvoly. Let's take a look at the pricing and see how much you have to pay. Now this is if you are using Symvoly for yourself. This is how much you would have to pay, but of course we're more interested in the white label option. So if you want to start, you can start with $59 per month, and let's see, that would be 100% white label platform. So it is 100% white label to your business. Nothing Symvoly would appear on your website. Okay, so you're able to build 2 websites and 10 funnels. So if you have 2 clients and you decide to charge your clients, say $200 per month to host their websites, and that's to create their websites for them and host it and maintain it, or whatever it is you want to bundle up for your clients, you're able to charge whatever it is you want to charge. So you can build websites, you can build funnels and additional websites. This would be the price and all of that. So you can come to this page and see how much it will cost you. You can sell email marketing services, it's all included in the fees you pay. Okay, so as your business grows and you have more websites, then you'd have to pay more money, obviously. So for 10 websites and unlimited funnels, so you are able to sell unlimited funnels. You're able to create little funnels for people for their businesses, and all you need to pay is just this fee, this price, one time every month. Okay, so that is that. Now let me take you to the second website, which is actually my favorite. It's called SwipeSwan. So this is basically for resellers. So you would be a reseller, you would create websites here and sell it to people for whatever price you want to sell it. So it says that's your own home-based web design business, no experience required. So this actually is mainly focused on local businesses in your area. If you have plumbers, you have technicians, whatever, these people need websites. They need to be seen. You can be the one creating the websites for them, for bakers, for whatever. You can be the one creating the websites for them. Let's take a look at the reseller opportunity and see what you're able to do. So you're able to make money building and selling websites with SwipeSwan. You can start your business from anywhere in the world. This is not restricted to location. You can do this anywhere. What I particularly like about SwipeSwan is the fact that it comes with a local prospecting tool. Now with local prospecting tool, you're able to find clients all in one place. So if you're looking for plumbers, now all you need to do is come in here and search for plumbers, and it will come up with their contacts, their email address, their phone numbers, and you're able to call them, reach out to them, send them emails, and sell them your services. That is just amazing. So you're able to sell this to different businesses, and they have loads of templates. Now here are the templates they have. Let's take a look at this. So they have over 250 industry specific themes. Those are businesses that you can find in your local areas to build websites for. So you have RV park, psychic, pest control, property management, driving school, tobacco shop. There are loads of templates here, guys. So it just makes the work very easy and fast for you. And these templates are really good templates. They are really good, well thought, and really nice. I'm trying to find something nice to show you. Let's see, handyman. I mean, there are loads of handyman everywhere. So let's take a look at the template and see what they have. So this is, I mean, it's already done for you, and this has pages. It's just amazing. It has different pages, so you can go to home, about us. It makes your work very easy. If you're selling this to a customer, it makes your work very easy. What I particularly like about their templates is the fact that most of the words are filled in for you. Unlike Symvolley, here you still have to fill this, your section headline. You have to like come up with the words and headings and catchy phrases yourself. But here you have something to work with already. So let us help with your next home improvement. You have the description. We offer a variety of handyman services in city. All you need to fill is the business name of your client and the city. And that means it's just easy. It makes your work very easy. There are pictures that are already relatable. There are loads of things that just make your work go faster. So these are like what they do, which you would always almost find with every handyman offering. If they don't do this, you can simply take it out by editing it out, and you can look at all of this. It's just good as far as I'm concerned. It makes the work very easy and very quick and very fast. They have reviews section here. You can change this to your customers' review, whatever review they have on Google, and that is just amazing. Now, to get clients to sell this to, which I know is actually what will be going through your mind, and if you feel, oh okay, these are really nice, if I'm able to create websites for different businesses, how do I get them? How do I find them? So what you need to do first is, I'd say, come to Facebook groups. I've come to Facebook and I've typed in photography. If I was looking to make websites for photographers, then you can just come in here and look at groups, join different groups, and see if you're able to offer your services here. The second thing you can do is to come in and type in plumbers in your area. So for example, I put in plumbers in London, and this is Google. You can see here under their Google My Business listing, some of these businesses do not have websites. Some of them don't have websites, some of them do, but some of them don't. And even if they do have websites, some of them are not so great. So if you come in here and check their website, if you feel that it's not great, these are people you can target and offer your services to. Now, like I mentioned earlier, SwiteSwan has local prospecting tool, so you can use that to get your clients in whatever area you're looking for. So if you're and it doesn't matter what location you're in, if you're in the UK, if you're in America, if you're in Dubai, wherever you are, you can find clients anywhere using the SwiteSwan local prospecting tool. All you need to do is find the client, type in, search whatever it is you're looking for, and discover their businesses. Discover businesses do and don't have websites. Then you can check to see which websites are not mobile optimized. If they're not mobile optimized, you can reach out to them to offer your services. Then you create a ready to sell demo sites with just one click. So if you're targeting like a baker shop, because you already have the templates here, you can just create it using their business name and then pitch it to them and sell it to them. It's that simple. You've already created something for them, just sell it to them, and if they do like what they see, they buy it and they pay you. That's how that works. Now let's go to pricing and let's see how much it would cost to start using SwiteSwan for your business. Now you can sign up for the agency plan before the end of the month. There's a promotion running right now, okay? So you can go on any of these plans. If you start with the starter plan, that's $149 per month. You're able to create and sell and manage and host up to 10 websites, okay? And this is everything you get with it. With the $199, you're able to sell up to 30 websites. It's normally 20, but because of the promotion they're running now, you get extra free 10 websites on this plan. So the reason why I would suggest you go with this plan or this plan is because it comes with the local prospecting tool, it comes with client billing, and it comes with reputation management. You can sell reputation management on its own as a service. A lot of people selling reputation management and they're making money doing that. So reputation management on its own, you can sell as a service without even building websites for them. So you are able to get access to the local prospecting tool. That's the tool that helps you type in your target audience and it brings up their name, their location, their websites. If they do have one, if they don't have one, it would indicate they don't have one. If they do have one that is not mobile optimized, it would indicate it, and you'll be able to pitch your services to them to build them another website. You can offer whatever price it is you want to offer, and that would be that. Okay, that is that about that. I just wanted to share that with you in this video, guys. If you're looking to start a business from home and you're just thinking of what to do and how to get it, I particularly would suggest that you start with SwiteSwan if you have a little budget to start with, and come on the agency plan so that you get local prospecting tools, so you don't have to go to Google to search for people who need websites. This would pull them for you. You'll be able to get their numbers and their email address, and you can then reach out to them and sell them your services. And to sell the services quick and easy, all you need to do is just create a website for them here. So if you're searched for solar energy companies in your area and you found different companies that do need websites, then you can then come in here and edit this. Okay, make the switch to Solar, and this is their website, their business name. You just need to edit this for that specific business and send it to them. Send the link to them to just tell them you built a website for them already. Are they interested? If they're interested, they'll let you know. Tell them how much it will cost to build, for them to have the website. That's the upfront cost. And if you want to charge them monthly, which I would advise you do, then you'd name whatever price it is you want to charge them. Okay, so that's how that works, guys. I just wanted to share that with you in this video. If you have any questions or concerns for me, please drop it in the comment section below. I'll be happy to help. Thank you for staying till the end of another video. If you're not subscribed to the channel, please do subscribe. Click the bell notification so you know when I drop another video, and please give this video a thumbs up if you find it useful. Thank you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.